Good morning, all. This is what I've got going with the high school shop built 1960s garden tractor. I replaced the steering box and had to make all this linkage. The steering turns very easily. It's a one-finger operation. But the tough part was figuring out the shifting. I had to fabricate some kind of linkage for this 2-speed with reverse, and I just could not figure this thing out. So I ended up going like that, and I put this on here, and it shifts nicely. Right now it's really cold out here, so that goes like that. In a second. Anyway, you guys get the gist of it. It's first, there's neutral, and then if I push on this lever, that pushes the shaft over and makes it so that we can get to reverse. So I do have it figured out. It's kind of a Flintstones Stone Age thing, but it does shift, and the 1942 crank start engine runs like a dream. Out of all of these different motors I have, this one starts the easiest and runs the best. It's only a 9 horse, about 100 pounds. I'm going to use this old headlight switch as a kill switch. And here's the throttle I fabbed up yesterday. This is the original lever, and it just goes under there and straight to that thing. I installed this variable speed transmission, and that is hooked to this pulley that was a real bear to install. And then everything goes to the 9-inch rear. And this thing's just about, I may be driving it around today. It's been a pretty neat build. It's only like 14 degrees in here, so obviously I'm not painting anything. But I just can't stand sitting on the couch, so here I am. It's snowing outside here in Kansas. It is just a crap day, so I'm all bundled up. I may just fire this thing up and take it for its maiden voyage.